Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, June the 14th, 2023. Told you earlier, no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of yesterday. Yesterday, Tuesday, June the 13th, 2023. Two puzzles are left because I've already done one, the letter Sudoku. We have the tectonic with one star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock. And this one, you are interested? Yes. Sudoku with 0 stars. Yeah. And this will be number 6594. Yeah, 6594. Before I start, I always count the print out for the printed letter digits. 29 printed digits. Yeah, should be an easy one because the hard one, the Sudoku with 29, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, should be easier than the 1 star. But for 1 star puzzle, need to be faster than 50 minutes. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one has 29. Should be easier. So maybe 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. Then two missing letters in two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. I need to wait. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places. Oh, apologies. I bumped the tripod. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Cannot continue with 5 now. Need to wait. 4, 4. 1, 2. The 2 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. So 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the row below, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And the 4 in this column, the 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Then the 7, the 6 is missing. The 8 is missing also. We have the 6 and the 9. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 1 digit left in the last row for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1, 8. 7. Alright, and now, thinking, the 9. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Overlooked 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between. The only place left for the 4 in the second row should be there. Yeah. 7. Come on. You know, 1 here. 6. Come on. 1, 8, 7. Let me think. 9. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on last column. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Then the 3 in the first row, the 3 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. 6 and 6 and 7. No, 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Well. What's the next number? Next number is 6, 1, and 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this column. No 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Says appear 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So 1 digit left in this column should be the 8. 8, okay. 8, yeah. Alright, 7. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 there. Yeah. Come on. How about a 2? Need a 2 there. 2. Need a 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. 2. Yeah, give me 2. Come on. We have a 6 here, so yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes here. 6 in this column. Third column, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So need a 6 there. Also, need a 1, need a 7, need a 8. 7. Yeah. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. I need a 6 here. So I need a 6 there. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these. A 3 box, so the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a 6 here, 6 there. That means in this row, we need a 6. Here can be 6 because we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6 because we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, here, or there in this row. Here another 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Here can be 6 because we have 6 in the second column. No 6 there, so the only place left for 6 should be there. Alright. The 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7 here. We have 6 here. Yeah. 4, 5, 7. So the other two numbers with the 6, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7. 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Here need a 6. One box left in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Here also 1 and the 6. 4, 2 and a 1. 2, 1, 4, 8. Well, we have a 4 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. Yeah, 4 in this row. No 4 there. The only place left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the, I believe the 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 8. Here 1, 8 and 7. Come on. 1, 8, 7 here. We have a 8 here. 8, 8. Well, 8, yeah. Could be. But the 4, do we have all the 4s? No. 4, 4. 4, 4. Come on. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 1, 8. Come on. Let me put some numbers. 7. Here is the 7. 7. Okay. 1, 6 and the 7. Come on. How about a 5 then? Yeah. We need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Need a 4 here. Well, We have here two missing numbers. The 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and the 2. That means one digit left in this row for number 1 and the 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. So 3 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Here, 1, 6, and the also the 7, yeah. 7 this row, 7 that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Here also 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. I need a 1 also. Yeah, 1. Come on, come on. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. 1 and a 7. We already have a 1 here in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier to 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 in the 6. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. So the 7 and 8 are missing. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes. And there 8 in this column. Third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this column, third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 7. In this big square, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finishing 18 minutes. Well. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Not faster than 50 minutes, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.